Hi, I am Priyadarshani. Happy Pana Sankranti to all. Pana Sankranti is celebrated by the people of Odisha. It is the New Year celebration for the people of Odisha. It is also known as Mahavishubha Sankranti. It falls on the month of Vaishakha, so it falls on 13th or 14th April every year. This festival marks the beginning of summer. This festival is celebrated with visits to Shiva, Jagannath or Shakti temple. In Odia tradition, the Pana Sankranti is believed to be the birthday of Lord Hanuman. A notable climax of the social celebrations is firework, where volunteers sprint over a bed of burning coal while being cheered with music and songs. A chilled sweet mango, milk, yogurt, coconut drink called Pana is served. The name Pana Sankranti came from the word Pana. Thank you, and like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. And once again, Happy Vishubha Sankranti.